Write your text out, make a circle, and split that circle with the knife tool. Drag the bottom half down a bit, put your text on top, and make sure the circle is on top of the text. Go Object, Envelope to start, make with top object, and do that for both the top and bottom. Highlight them all and expand them and group them. Make 2 copies, make one small copy, and make one the same size copy. The small copy wants to be a dark green, and drag that into the middle like so. Make sure it's backwards. Give the other copy a lighter green, then click Object, Blend, Make, then go to Blending Options and Specified Step Zone Speed 120. Next, drag on your third copy, give it a lighter shade green and drag it on top. Resize it, recenter it, and there you go. Like and follow for more.